My daily routine as a mother. I am 40-year-old mother of two wonderful children. Rohan is 12-year-old and Arnavi is 15. We live in a big house in the city with my loving husband, my caring father-in-law and my kind mother-in-law. My day usually starts at 5:30 in the morning. I begin by freshening up and after take bath preparing breakfast for the family. After that I make sure the kids are ready for school, checking their homework, packing their lunch boxes and reminding them of an important tasks for the day. Once they leave for school, I spend some time tidying up the house, doing laundry, and managing household chores. Around mid morning, I prepare tea for my in laws and spend some time chatting with them. My husband usually goes to work by 9:30 a.m. So I make sure he has everything he needs for the day. In the afternoon, I prepare lunch and sometimes take a short break to read, relax or plan meals for the week. When the kids come back from school, I serve them snacks, listen to how they went and help them with homework if needed. In the evening, I either go for a short walk or spend time in the kitchen preparing dinner for the whole family. We usually have dinner together, which is my favorite time of the day because we share stories, laugh, and talk about our plans. After dinner, I clean up the kitchen, check that everything is in order for the next day, and spend some time watching TV or reading. I usually go to bed around 10:30 pm, feeling grateful for family and our happy home. I hope you like my daily routine as a mother. If you like my video, please and we will meet again next video. Radhe Radhe.